What's up guys, TJ Got Kicks 89 here, back with another shoe for you guys. Today we've got another Huf shoe that uses infinity rubber. Slap that on there. It's the Huf Boyd in the black mono colorway, also released in 2015 and made in Indonesia. So you got the standard Huf brown box. Before that I got this for the same price that I did for the Sotos, 70 ringgit. Can't beat that, man. Huf shoes are just out of this world when it comes to quality. That's what it looks like. Now we're gonna review it. And as usual, the right pair goes there. So, the Huf Boyd was a shoe that was designed by Keith Hufnagel and the ill designers at Huf. It's inspired by a court shoe, as you can see. I'll just throw the name out there, Stan Smith most probably. And its main technology uses infinity rubber, but we'll get into that a bit later. When this shoe first came out, the release colorway was this all-white premium leather that was skated by Jake Anderson at the tennis court. So you obviously know that they were drawing inspiration from a tennis shoe that the three stripes design. But let's talk about it here. It doesn't really it draws inspiration, but it doesn't look the same at all whatsoever, except for this paneling that goes up, but we'll get into that. So the black mono colorway for this shoe is a primarily, I want to say synthetic nubuck, but I have a feeling that I've been wrong about nubuck all this time, that it could be leather or not. It's hard to tell with nubuck because it's the first material that was heavily made synthetic and available as a synthetic for Nike to design, which is vegan friendly. But yeah, so primarily nubuck, going all the way around whatever is black at the upper, same thing on the tongue. You've got blind stitching going around certain wear areas, like over here and over here. Like I said, just a traditional lace-up closure. You've got the Huf logo in gold right over there. Some perforations on there on that side. Going to the heel, you've got the stitch lines where they meet. Also blind stitching at the heel part of the shoe. You've got this small ass, I can't even get my finger through there, but it's supposed to be like a pull tab for the shoe. Same thing on the medial side, except for the Huf logo. Perforations over there as well. Going up the tongue, you've got waxed laces, which is also a premium touch. Same nubuck going up. You've got perforations towards closer to the top of the shoe. See that? The Huf logo embroidered in gold at the top. And on the inside, you've got I want to say just like a mesh sock liner, very minimally padded. If you're looking for like a Chet Thomas 4 padding, you're not gonna get it on this shoe. If it's closer to the foot though, which is a good thing. And on the insole, you've got the same thing as the Huf Sotos as well. Let me just take it out real quick for you guys. So apparently, correction, the name of this foam for Huf was called Strut Soft. So you've got a similar design to the Soto. You've got flexibility lines cut out to make sure that your insole flexes with your foot as you're skating it. No cutouts on the inside in the Strobel board, as I can see, as I showed you last time on the Soto. But let's now talk about the infinity rubber at the bottom. So the design of the infinity rubber cup sole of this shoe is kind of like I want to say it's very close to a Jordan 1 in terms of having like the stars all over there. But closer to the back, you got Huf in black, stitched all the way around, which helps with blowouts and keeping this shoe fresh with age. So you could probably wear this even as if you keep this on ice without having to seal it in a bag or whatsoever. This heel cup is sturdy. Oh, by the way, the Sotos, the heel cup kind of cracked, but we'll put that in the performance review. This infinity rubber cup sole, you've got the star designs like I said, and the bottom is what people usually complain about in Huf footwear. It's a very flat surface with inverted patterns, which is supposed to help with skateboarding because you don't need that much herringbone apparently for skateboarders, what they say, but you need enough grip. So what the Infinity rubber seeks to do is to increase the flexibility and durability of the rubber compound so that your bottoms last longer. Yeah, that's it. So star pattern over here, Huf logo over there, everything's rubber here, by the way. Star pattern in the back, star pattern in the front, going to the side, and also in the heel. And that's the Huf Boyd. So definitely glad to pick this up for 70 ringgit. Glad to add it to my collection. Rest in peace, Keith Hufnagel. Rest in peace to the Huf quality footwear brand that has been pushing out and making crazy durable, crazy comfortable skate shoes since 2008, I want to say 2009, closer to 2010. All the riders have been crazy for Huf. Their designs were very eccentric. Their technologies were also different. They were a brand that really set themselves apart from other skateboard footwear brands in the industry. They were really thinking outside the box, and it's quite unfortunate that Huf had to say that this was just a hiccup and it was just distorting their clothing footwear vision, which was what Huf was built upon. So yeah, glad to add this to my collection. Boleh pakai pergi office kot. Huf Boyd, TJ got Kicks 89. Strut soft insole. I'm out.